Alright, so I had a little time to myself, had a couple hours before I had to do anything. So I decided to do some shopping, mainly for food. Who doesn't like food? But I have absolutely no idea what I bought or what it says. I can go off of just, I guess, uh, educated guess. I bought today 5 items that I've never tried before, never seen. Uh, I bought some chips, Doritos. It comes in a yellow bag. Appears to be like some like Swiss cheese. No clue. Although I can realize it's the plastic in the bag is a lot thicker. Like it feels like nylon. Also, that if you can see, this is where the chip starts. Less than half the bag. Packaged very well. Yeah, as you can see, I don't know if you can see down there. All the way down the bag. That's like they give you like a third of the bag. They sell you air, but okay. Let's take a look at the first one. So, it's really good, but I can't pinpoint what it is. I think it's Swiss. It tastes like Swiss with blue cheese. Swiss cheese with blue cheese. Like mixed together. It's pretty good though. Alright, moving on to the next thing. Bought some more chips. Because these really intrigue me. It's the Japanese version of Cheetos. But I don't know what kind of Cheetos they are. I've never tried the Japanese kind, and it could be different cheese. It could be exactly the same thing. I don't know. We'll take a look. It looks like there's like 3 different cheeses in there though. Like Swiss, cheddar, and maybe American. I'm not sure. So, I mean, as you can see, you cannot read anything. Everything is in Japanese. So I don't know what the hell I'm buying. Well, these are definitely different. They're not like orange. They're like yellow. Almost like regular puffs. Uh, those I don't like. Try one more for the hell of it. So if I had to describe it, it's like sweet butter with Swiss cheese. I see what they're trying to do with the butter, but it's just too sweet of butter. Like, this is too sweet. This tastes like straight up sweetness. Mm. I also bought some chocolate. It's Japanese. It's not like Kit Kat or anything. It looks like it's like milk chocolate with biscuits on the bottom. That's it's an educated guess again. Uh, it says bourbon on it. Maybe there's bourbon in it. That's like the only Latin letters I see. You can't really see that. Well, let's give this guy a try too. And again, I just don't know what I'm buying. I literally just went to the store. And I didn't even know what they were saying to me. I was just like, here's, take my money. Just quit talking to me. Not much comes in it though. No wonder they're so skinny here. Well, at least compared to like America or Europe. So if anybody has ever tried Ritter with the biscuits, or even Milka, the I think Austrian company, it has biscuits in it. It's kind of the same thing, although you could taste a slight amount of bourbon in it. I don't know if that's just me reading that says bourbon and then my mind imagining it or imagining it, but it's not bad. Kind of hard though. Right. Item number 4. From what I read, it says Hisk 201. Tokemeki Tokimeki Cafe. I see a picture of a mango in there. I'm guessing it's like a mango yogurt, like a lassi, Indian lassi. Has very little calories. So I'm guessing it's not very milky. It's just gonna be like juice, maybe. We'll see. Oh, that's like juice. I don't know why they put it in a plastic though. That's kind of, I guess, very non-Western. It's like in a almost like a can of sour cream. And it comes with a straw. Oh, not spill anything here. Oh, it's one of those. It's one of those straws that extend. Okay, so. And, oh, and it bends too. Cheers. That's pretty good. It's a mango nectar. It's like a thick nectar drink for mango. It's really good. I still think mango lassi is better, but that's definitely a better mango drink than most places. It's good. Now this one is a little different than, I don't know, I said screw it, just buy something different, out of my comfort zone. I normally like tea. I like tea a lot, especially black tea. And then, you know, there's those herbs like mint tea and chamomile. But this is royal milk tea. So, and in my culture, I really don't drink milk and tea. It's just, they don't go together. People think you're an idiot. It's royal milk tea. It's got a crown on it. It's obviously Japanese. More Japanese writing, all in Japanese. It's got like this, I hate to say it, like, if you mix diarrhea and milk together. I mean, that's the best way I could explain it, but I mean, that doesn't always keep up to the taste, so see how well this goes. I don't like the smell of it already. It's kind of like leafy, herby, leafy. It doesn't smell milky at all. Alright, cheers. You know, it's not bad, but it's not my thing. I guess I'm not used to this East Asian culture and food and stuff. Some of the stuff is really good. Some of the stuff is really bad. Like the, well, I wouldn't say the fish egg sushi that I had last night. It was like salmon eggs. It was more. It didn't taste bad. It just the consistency, the fact that when you put 30 of them in your mouth, it just pops and it squirts everywhere in your mouth. It's like ugh. But it didn't taste bad. It tastes very good. It was like salty fish on sushi. I mean, just what sushi tastes like. But this is like, you can taste more of the tea than the milk though. And I know in like India, it's like more milk than tea. In India and like Britain and, but I'll stick to the mango over there. Alright guys, well that's all the time I have for experimenting today. I gotta go meet somebody in Kobe. Hopefully there's some halal Kobe beef. I don't think that exists, but let's hope, you know. I'd like to try it, but I'm gonna go meet a Macedonian friend over there that Kazu set me up with and help him move on my vacation. That's gonna be fun. Alright, see you guys. Peace.